Burundi Kazi. The election campaign period ended last night. In 2 days, those who have not been stripped of the right to vote but the life detention, incarceration, abduction, harassment, or who are spared from the coronavirus threat will participate in presidential, legislative, and municipal elections. It is regrettable and incomprehensible that all these afflictions that we have never stopped denouncing continue to be perpetrated even during this period of the campaigning. We often hear that the most beautiful girl can only give what she has. Election promises for peace, justice, good governance, and development will remain wishful thinking if the rhetoric that incites the Burundian population to killings and ethnic divisions continue to spread without hesitation, openly and publicly by the authorities in place. Although Burundian and the international community have not stopped warning the international authorities to put an end to all these atrocities in order to ensure the smooth running of the elections, they have chosen to move forward and continue the preparations, attributing all cruelties to the former colonizers, dissidents, and the Tutsis. These people who are accused of all evil will unfortunately still exist. Does this mean that the peace will never exist in Burundi? Burundi Kazi, do not be distracted or even intimidated by these expressions. You know the truth. In turns, the politicians came before you telling you their best intentions. Whoever said this, pray to the Almighty that He gives you wisdom and intelligence in electing your leaders has not lied to you. You vote incorrectly and you are held responsible, which means that your future is in your hands. In the end, we will not know how the elections will take place and what the result will be because some of the candidates have already denounced the glaring irregularities in the preparation and organization of the vote, including the absence of the electoral file and the exclusion of representatives of certain opposition political parties from the electoral offices. The most fervent wish of the Movement of Women and Girls for Peace and Security in Burundi, MFFPS, is that there will be an added value after the next elections because the security crisis in Burundi lasted too long. For the umpteenth time, the Movement of Women and Girls for Peace and Security in Burundi, MFFPS, would like to make this appeal to all leaders of all levels of national life, in churches, in the public and private sectors, and especially to the heads of the Independent National Electoral Commission by telling them this. Take your responsibilities, put forward peace, truth, and justice. The whole nation will be grateful. Remember that it is in the most difficult moments that your level of integrity and responsibility is measured. To you young people who are often called upon to carry out the dirty work of the killing, torture, and other inhumane and degrading treatment, no, we urge you not to fall into the trap because tomorrow you may regret it. The election is a good opportunity to change bad practices. And to you who feel aggravated, fighting injustice and violence of your human right is your most legitimate right. However, you should also know that the others have the same rights as you and never do to others what you would not like to be done to you. Dear Burundian sisters, be at the forefront of safeguarding the peace that must first take root at home with your loved ones, and make sure that this peace in your home is a mark of oil. Remember, above all, that when peace is lacking, you are the first to suffer. This is a message from the Movement of Women and Girls for Peace and Security in Burundi, MFFPS.